Think of grammar not as a set of rules, but as a toolkit for building powerful messages. It's the difference between a pile of bricks and a well-built house. In real writing, a story, a report, a persuasive letter, these tools have to work together. Correct spelling helps readers recognize words instantly. Clear punctuation shows how ideas connect. Good sentence structure makes your points flow smoothly. When these conventions aren't used, the message gets lost. Consider this draft. Koalas are marsupials, they live in trees, they eat leaves, they are cute, and they need help because their homes are being cut down. It's a jumble. The ideas are there, but they're buried under run-on sentences, spelling errors, and a lack of capitals. Now, let's use our tools to rebuild it. Koalas are marsupials that live in trees and eat eucalyptus leaves. They are native to Australia and spend most of their time in eucalyptus forests. Koalas need our help because their homes are being cut down. The difference is immense. We used varied sentences, precise words, and correct punctuation. The message is now clear and effective. This is what it means to apply conventions. It's not about just one rule. It's about synthesizing everything you know. You might use a complex sentence to show cause and effect in a persuasive letter, or choose neutral vocabulary for an informational report. Each choice serves a purpose. Mastery isn't about being perfect. It's a journey. It means using your tools correctly most of the time, spotting your own errors, and making deliberate choices to suit your audience. Every email, every story, every report you write is a chance to practice, to build something stronger. It's how your writing becomes truly powerful, by letting your ideas shine, free from distraction.